Hey guys, so today let's take a look at the text and the TextStyle widgets in Flutter. Okay, so last time we stopped with the body and we haven't given any widgets inside the body. So like I said, all this white screen over here is for the body. Okay, and you can pass in any number of widgets inside that. So now let's just take a look at what the text widget does. Okay, so we'll pass in a text widget, and inside that you can print any sort of text data into it. Okay, so let's give in 3 lines of text. Okay, all right. Okay, now let's just save changes and see what happens. Okay, now that you can see, all the text is aligned towards the left. Okay, and it's really small. Okay, so the first property that we look inside the text widget is called the text align. Okay, so inside the inside the text widget we can pass in the text align property. So text align property is nothing but just to align your text into whatever directions you like. Okay, so let's just see what happens when we do text align dot center. Okay, so that you can see all your text is towards the center, and if you pass it towards the right, all of it will be aligned towards the right. Okay, so that is your text align widget. We have another widget called as the style widget, style property, and inside that you can pass in text style widget. Okay, so inside the text style you can have multiple properties. Okay, you can increase the font size. Okay, let's just increase the font size to 40. So now that you can see, our text data is actually really big. Okay, we can pass in font weight. So that's there. We have something called as letter spacing, so let's give it a 5. We have, okay, let's just save the changes and check what it does. So the font size increases the font weight dot bold, so this makes all of your text a little bolder, and the letter spacing is between each letters there's like this little space. So let's just decrease the space and see what happens. Okay, so now that you can see, our text is back in the normal form. Okay, we also can change the text to italics. Okay, so let's call this font style, and let's pass in font style dot italics. Okay, now that you can see, our text is in italics. Okay, even now our text actually looks a little bit boring, so let's just give it a color, and we can pass in colors dot, let's give it a green. Okay, so now that our text is in green color, we can also give it a background color to make it more visible. So okay, let's give it black and let's just see. Okay, now that we can see, our text is in green color and we have a background around all the text, right? Okay, now even now it is in the top left. Now we have an additional widget today, so that is the center widget. So what the center widget does is you can actually align all your things into the center of the screen. So let's just save changes. Okay, so to bring the center widget, all you have to do is click on this little bulb and you can see this option, wrap with center. So once you do that, your changes are saved. Okay, and then control S and you'll see that the text is in the center. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do like, please do consider subscribing, and I'll come back with more videos later on. Till then, stay safe.